My name is Brianna Wingrove, and I decided to do my poster board on SNOMED CT. The learning objectives for my poster board is to be able to learn more about SNOMED CT, how it's used, the history of it, as well as some of the characteristics. For my introduction, SNOMED CT is one of the most comprehensive clinical health care terminology that there is. It's a resource that includes scientifically validated clinical content. It enables consistent representation of clinical content in EHR. SNOMED CT is mapped to other international standards as well as it is used in more than 80 countries. SNOMED CT is used to represent coded terms that can be used within EHRs to capture, record, and as well as share clinical data for their use in healthcare organizations. It is one of the key components supporting solutions that enables the retrieval of meaningful clinical information. SNOMED codes have been used internationally for many years. They started to be used in the US after 2013 when the government began to make EHRs included terminology in their systems. Some of the history for SNOMED CT it was developed by the College of American Pathologists in 1974. As it was first known as SNOPE, SCOP, and that is the current format of SNOMED CT. It was released in 2002 as a combination of SNOMED RT and CTV3. SNOMED CT is now owned and maintained by the International Health Terminology Standards Development Organization. It is also used in conjunction with ICD-11. Since the image on my poster board was a little hard to read without zooming in, I decided to add it to another slide so you could have a better view of it. The image on mine is the SNOMED CT design, which consists of the concepts, hierarchies, attributes, identifiers, descriptions, and relationships. Some of the hierarchies include body structure, clinical finding, environment or geographical location, event, linkage, concepts, physical force, physical object, procedure, qualifier, value, and those are just a few of the ones that are listed on the picture. If you also look, you can see that it has the relationships and how it works and how SNOMED is used and whenever you're coding and things like that. I just thought this was a really nice picture because it has a really good description of everything, and I thought it would be the best way to list the characteristics and ways that it's used.